6 hours later. Few moments later.
This is our hotel in Bali Day 1 in Uluwatu.
Day 2.
Stone walls before going to Sunny's Beach Club. Is it okay? I'll just add stuff to the Grab.
Yes.
Air up ako.
Mainit. Tiran ko rin yan.
'The Dragon? Is it part of the Indonesia? Yeah. I know it in the movie only.
So it's not part of Bali or still part of Bali?
No. Indonesia.
It's Indonesia. So Bali is province.
Ang ganda! Region dito.
Yung beach. Ang lava ko. Ay, ang ganda. Gamitin mo na ako. Oh, it's really nice. Ay,
Bakit parang ang laki ng beach nila? Ba't parang sa Pilipinas?
Pinalilimutan nga kasi, oo nga. Kaya nga
Nakita mo sa
sabi ko,
taas,
masyado
ganda.
nilang pinipreserve lahat.
Wow!
Ayan. Eh sa atin yung MOA nga lang, ginagawa lang namang hotel eh.
Ganyan dyan lang naman oh!
12 seconds later.
Parang sa'yo lang yung parang sa'yo lang yung buo. Mga 4:20. 20 minutes. Leo, tingnan mo. Kakawak ako ah.
Paano gumagano? Kasi ngayon
Day 3.
Hi, we're here in The Edge 180 and it's a beach club. So, yeah. Si Mara.
Bibidyo ko kayo, ganyan ginagawa niyo muna.
A few moments later.
Si ate natatakot.
This is the Sky Lounge. Hi, we are here in Icon Valley and we are shopping for a pasalubong. So, yeah. Yes. Mga kasama namin, sobrang gutom na naman. Cheers.
Halo. Mahap po, kaya naman. Nagugustuhan niyo. Mahap na kaya naman. Sarap.
Wow, laki. Parang SNR.
Wow! Hi, we're in Lotte Mart here in Bali. So we're gonna shop again. Part 2. That's what we bought. Just water, chips, and some juices lang.
Day 4.
Nalapan niya ako ng buhay.
Meanwhile,
Kaya ko ulit noodles, pero walang tope. Magabi ako lahat. Naubo na nga ako lahat. Dami siyang herbs. Hindi na sa batal, diba? Ako? Ano lang? One rice, plain rice.
Grabe yung vibe sa kanila. Spicy pa din.
Yan siya ito.
Grabe. Mas nakakatagal kasi may milk chicken.
Ito isda ba to? Isda ba? Ito isda.
Grabe yung ano.
Noodles.
few moments later.
Okay, thank you. I'm good. We're good.
Wak in Indonesia. In English is called mongoose or Asian civet. To choose the best coffee fruit by themselves. What they choose is direct to eat. They swallowed whole coffee cherries without chewing. Digestion system only able to digest the skin and the meat, and not able to digest the seed because it was covered by hard layer on it. It's around 6 until 10 hours. The droppings out. And 5 days to make the fermentation work properly. And then after dry, we wash with boiled water. And then next we do peeling process. We do like this. So there was 2 layer on it. This is the first layer, and there was second layer on it. We need to wash it one more time with normal water. Dry it under the sun around 5 days. Now it's ready to do roasting process inside.
Thank you. Thank you.
Salamat, ate.
Sarap. Mangustin. Sarap.
Parang wine lang na mainit.
Sarap nga eh.
Parang number 2, Roselia.
Parang ganyan din. Mas... Parang ganyan din.
Parang naman tayo addict na yun.
Sarap din. Ano ba tingin ni Kuka?
Medyo parang malapnaw lang.
Masim-asim.
Ginseng. Pampalakas ng Ibarra.
Hindi magugustuhan.
Ayoko na yun. Pag di nagustuhan ng asawa kayo,
Ginseng.
Luya.
Ginseng. Hindi siya luya. Ay, yung cinnamon magugustuhan ko, tsaka saffron. Yung ginger tea magugustuhan ni Bara.
ayoko niya.
May ano siya, may gamot. Gamot pa lang yun. Bawal siya.
Cinnamon nga. Oo, masarap. Sarap din.
Cinnamon. Away? Cinnamon.
Ang gusto ni Bara dyan, ginger tea. Kasi yun ang iniinom niya tuloy.
Walang ganong lasa. Ang cinnamon talaga more on amoy lang.
Hindi siya malasa. Amoy lang. Saffron. Gusto ko yan. Ay,
Ikaw, uy. Saffron na.
Ano? Amoy ano? Grass?
Ayoko na nga sa tea. Gusto ko na lang sa coffee.
Dalian mo. Alam mo nga, yung lasa.
Ginger is ba?
Ang ginger, ano yan eh. Paul, pantanggal to ng ano, sa lalamunan mo.
Ayan. Tangit. Tasang luya. Pero mas matapang siya.
Daily, alam naman hindi ako nagtitig.
Matapang.
Milk tea. Hindi, parang ano to, ano ba yun?
Matapang yung tea niya, umahagod dito.
Eh, para inumin mo to.
Munti, yan. Gusto ko yan.
Ano to, Lipton.
Matalap. Matalap, matalap.
Sarap, parang sipo. Embang. Uy, naka-video ka. Mentality.
Iniinom niya yan.
Ano na yung nalagyan?
Sumpa ata to eh.
Asin. Lemongrass. Yan yung hinahalo sa chicken. Parang hindi ka kagatin ng malamok. Hindi. Tanglad ba? Tanglad. Tanggal lang ano yun. Ng lansa-lansa sa katawan.
Nako, nagustuhan lang yung kape.
Ayun na naman siya.
Ah, ayaw niya yung chocolate. Vanilla na.
Ah, kasi yung ano, tableya, malakas.
Sarap. Vanilla. 5 pesos na.
At least yan kasi, yan. Ano yan? Pure.
Ginseng. Ayoko ng ginseng coffee. Next ako. Coconut.
Hindi, wait. Ayoko din ng coconut. Anong pandanos din?
Ayoko na tayo lahat. Pandan yan.
Pwede pa kapurado din.
Sarap tong
Ah,
coconut.
parang gelatin.
Masarap to.
Pandan. Kaya nga pandanos eh.
Iniinom natin.
Tapos na.
Meanwhile,
Hi, we're here in the Science House.
Pina-shredded ko.
Sunset dinner.
Wow, thank you.
Dapat yung without muna. Sarap nga ito. Gusto ba?
Kailangan. Ito sa'yo nga rin.
This is really good, guys. Wow, nagkit nga lang. Sarap. Miss niya yung... Ano pagkaan dito?
Special dito.
May ganitong vibe sa Siargao eh.
How much? 1,800,000.
177.
Meanwhile. Tomorrow.
Right? Mas maganda nga. Marina snorkeling. Umayaw na, umayaw. Going to Kalengking, and this is the room. This is the famous Kalingking landmark, but everything here is a Kalingking beach. So yeah, that's a construction of a lift elevator, so they have to stop the project. And here, okay. So that's the Angels Bilabong.
For sure.
Ano yan?
Meanwhile.
Hi, we are in Ulundano, Beratan. So, this is a cultural place of Indonesians, or specifically the Balinese. So, there's a lot of things that you can roam around here, and the place is so clean. And you can enjoy the view with the river and the beautiful mountain around it. So, yeah, enjoy the scene. Kamukha ni Kukay.
Ay, dali video. Ay, picture kita sa likod ko.
Hindi umarap naman. Pagkati kamay mo.
So cute and big.
Let them debris. Yes.
Abri.
Yes. In your house.
You can keep it here. It's not illegal. No?
Because there are a lot in the house.
Oh, they are allowed.
And not many people keep the one because they extra care for the animal. Yes. They're family of cat and.
Mainit. Ninit? Oh, okay. From Bamboo. Hi, we're here in Handara Gate. There. Handara Gate.
An eternity later.
Hi, we're here in Bali Safari and we're gonna explore the wild.
Ate, ito na tayo, ate!
First stop is the Lobby Barong.
Hello, good morning everyone. How are you today? Good? Mereka merupakan satwa teritorial. Jadi mereka akan memangsa apapun yang memasuki present cycle and gestation period around 8 until 9 months. Jadi kita berbagi sekitar 96% DNA dengan mereka. Jadi mereka memiliki sidik jari serta masa kehamilan 8 hingga 9 bulan. Dan juga mereka juga kedip serta menjaga mata mereka agar tetap sehat dan juga singa dan buaya. Javan deer. They can be found in Bali, Java, and Timor Island. In Bali, they called menjangan. Only the male has a terbesar kedua setelah gajah makan untuk mengambil makanan di atas pohon. Okay, thank you so much. And if you remember Corona, single is the brother in the wild. Only have one male lion with the. Say hi to our keeper. So that's why they can wait.
Please welcome onto the stage the birds, the beautiful white pigeon. His name is Archie. Hello, Archie. Look, everyone, he's a smart boy. This dog breed is also very playful and lively. The guinea pig come from Peru. At first, they were used as Peruvian diets and foods, but nowadays they have been kept as pets. Similar in size to the guinea pigs, but perhaps not so cute and cuddly. That's the Reds. Ada tikus di atas tali. European were the biggest exporter of this animal. Everywhere they see. My personal favorite, also known as the enemy of the Reds. Does anybody know? Yes, it's the cats. Here we have the male hornbill with yellow pouch under its beak, while the female have the blue patch. Di sini kami punya burung julang emas jantan yang berterbangan di sekitaran hutan. Their strong and long beak is used to create a hole in the tree. Already know the name of this animal? Ada yang tahu satwa ini namanya apa? I cannot hear you. Yes, it's orangutan. In Malay, or bahasa orang means man, while utan means forest. So orangutan means the man of the forest. To climb the coconut tree. Of an adult orangutan equal to 5-year-old kid. That's a fact. I'm not joking. Is there something funny around here?
Yes.
It's behind me. Bruno, he's coming back and he's helping George to pick up the rabbits. Bukan? And everyone, please big applause for George and Bruno, our Bornean orangutan.
Ini kebajikan dan menghancurkan kejahatan.
You know, Emma.
Tiger highlight are longer than it. Well, everyone, did you know that a tiger kecil anak harimau sudah biasa memanjat pohon? The tiger habitat is namun mampu beradaptasi dengan air, bahkan terbiasa dengan sungai-sungai besar. 39 kilometers. It was one stop melewati Selat Bali yang lebarnya hanya 2,4 kilometer.
Don't know.
Once again, ladies. In 2013.
Cute.
Live happily together. Through waves
May mga roles talaga sila, no?
including glass,
Oh!
nuts, and fruit. We drink about 150 liters of water per day. They also have a very strong sense of smell. But
Oy, pare! Yun, nilin yung kling. Hey, dandut!
Shit, nadulas.
The next day.
Hi, we're here in Tanalot. Our guide says that Tana means stone and Lot means water. So the view here is stone, which is the temple, in the water. So yeah.
That way. You see the other side? There's a part of the one.
Siriang, Siriang,
Dragon arrow.